Are you going to pull some stuff out? Let Ty pull some stuff out gently. Okay, are you looking at any of this stuff? Why do you children have to be so insane? What are you going to do now? Get in the box?
Yeah! Yeah!
Go get in it with them. Yes, you can. Sit on them. Sit on them. Go sit on them. Quick, hurry. Get up there and sit on them. No, stand up and sit on them. Maybe you can mail them back to Nana. Hey, can you all tell Nana thanks for the clothes that you didn't actually look at? Ty, look over here.